3 classes out of 5 in the books now, as this event moves swiftly along.
What's up? I guess I'm waiting till the next one comes on, and then I'll show you guys, but look at me, I'm dripping sweat. It's so hot out today. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I'll just wait, because I came in a little bit later today. I was supposed to meet with someone, but I don't know if they're actually still coming out here or not. Oh, it's all good? Alright, awesome. I just saw F, so usually for me that means that something's wrong. They're doing like a truck show, and they were pulling like weights and tractors before, but it was super loud, and I could hear it all the way from my house. So I figured I'd come out here to show you guys, but I just got here like at the tail end of one of the things that they were doing, so that competition just finished and I'm waiting for the next one to start. And I think they're just cleaning the dirt off now just to kind of level everything. Yeah, see, they're just cleaning it all up right now. I went all the way up front when I got here, but they told me that I guess they have like assigned seating, so I had to come up to the top.
So now we're getting back to some pulling action right now. We're going to get ready with a Limited Pro Super Farm Tractor Class. First Rubik diesel machines are firing up there right now. Michael Lozier from Mechanicsville, Pennsylvania. The Indian Outlaw International, we our first tractor.
Yeah,
Mike is a former USA East champion. Good to see Mike back out on the circuit here in 2018.
Yeah, they got like all people from the Northeast all competing, like I guess, against each other on it. I heard from my house that one of them blew an engine block. I heard it sounded really, really loud. I figured I'd come here to show you.
Decided to drop his hook there, so he's going to drop it and come back later in the class with the Indian Outlaw. So that'll bring up Greg Farragut, Smoking John. On the line right now, this is Greg Farragut from Dayton, Pennsylvania. Smoking John, John Deere power coming at you right now. He's currently #1 in the points race of 2018. Smoking John, Greg Farragut on the controls. Fuel injection and turbo, Sandy Lake, Pennsylvania, is the official fuel pump for USA Sled Pulling, the Limited Pro Super Farm Tractor Class. Weimer Fuel Injection and Turbo has been in business since 1970, specializing in agricultural and industrial diesel fuel pumps. This year's the tractors run to the Limited Pro Super Farm divisions, and US East will be going after a special $5,000 contingency bonus provided by Weimer Fuel Injection and Turbo, Sandy Lake, Pennsylvania. This is in for Greg Farragut, Smoking John, comes in at 303.70. 303.70. So we got the father and son team of Ray Bell and Joe Bell out there flagging right now. The marks set there with the lead coming right there at 303.70. The rest of the class will try to beat them and grab the lead here tonight. Ross Martin on the controls from Newcastle, Pennsylvania. And Case International calls the Running Red Warrior. Ross Martin, the school teacher by trade. Let's see what Ross can do. The Running Red Warrior, Good Running International from the Newcastle, Pennsylvania area. The Running Red Red Warrior. Credit with this is 287.16. 287.16. Ross Martin.
Yeah, I know Brandon.
Red Warrior.
I thought he already had a book out. Did you put out another one? That's awesome though. Congrats to him. I'm glad he got like help from fam and everybody. Yeah, I haven't read Dream Seller yet.
Well, we approach sunset here. What a beautiful night tonight, and another good day weather-wise predicted for us here at the beautiful Fairgrounds tomorrow. We hope you'll make your plans to be out and join us.
Did he just say Saturday night?
Jeff Sully's the catch driver in the machine tonight. Jeff Sully's on the control. The Dan Parks owned machine from over around Brookville, Pennsylvania. It's a John Deere, a former USA East class champion. Currently number 4 in the points race of 2017. Dan Parks, Saturday Night Hooker, due tonight by Jeff Sully.
All right, here we go.
Saturday Night Hooker, driven by Jeff Sully tonight, goes 286.27, 286.27. Aaron Bradish coming along right now with a Splice recycled machine. From Greensburg, Pennsylvania, an international machine here. Good to see Aaron out. His dad campaigns a super stock tractor named Recycled Red. And the Recycled Red spare parts goes to this one, hence the name, Twice Recycled. Remember, these tractors in this division only allow a single turbocharger. Limited Pros are running a 540 cubic inches in a single charger. Super Farms are up to 640 cubic inch, but they're running a smaller turbocharger. All running a or P style pump. No Sigmas or exotic pumps allowed in this class. Tractor weights are 8,700 pounds for the Limited Pro and 9,500 pounds for the Super Farm. This one's weighing in 87. It's a Limited Pro. Aaron Bradish on the controls of Twice Recycled. 275.78 for Aaron Bradish's Twice Recycled. 275.78. Already on the line right now is Ted Giovanelli from Millsboro, Pennsylvania, around Pittsburgh. This tractor is called Shazam. Ted was a regular in the circuit, then took a couple years off, and good to see him back out on the circuit here right now. Ted Giovanelli, Shazam International 1066. See what he can do. So Shazam goes 281.99, 281.99. So your leader's still smoking John at 303 and some change. Running Red Warrior, the International 287.
Do you think he talks like that?
The Saturday Night Hooker comes in at 286.
Mark your calendars now, folks, for Saturday night, October 6th, as the final USA East sanctioned pull of the year takes place right here. A night of mayhem. Oh, it's going to be a big deal. It's going to be a big event, and it's all for charity.
On the line right now is the second entry from the Fairgrounds pulling team. They currently have the #1 position in the class. This is the new tractor for 2018. This is the dad on the controls here, Larry Fairgrounds. Now, Larry's a little older and is after being still smoking. The first one's Smoking John, and this one's still smoking. Larry cut his teeth driving full-blown mini modified tractors for many years and moved up to the big tractors here a few years ago, well, about 20 years ago. So good to have Larry Fairgrounds back with his new John Deere, a John Deere 4320. He calls this one Still Smoking. Air Power knocking on the leader's door. And we have a new leader, still smoking, 307.87. 307.87 for still smoking. Grabs the lead here. On the line right now, Wilhelm Valley Farms. John Wilhelm under controls from West Alexandria, Pennsylvania. I have not seen this tractor pull ever. It is a fairly new tractor. They've been playing around it for a year or two, and glad to see him come up and play with USA East here this afternoon over here. International 1066. Let's root them on, fans. Well, a little rough ride there, but a good run up there on the 260 mark, it looks like, 265 maybe. On the line right now, this is Eric Hinkle from Freedom, Pennsylvania. This is an oldie but goodie case. Check out the old color paint scheme on this one. And it's called the Poverty Case. Eric Hinkle on the controls.
What happened?
And still playing some drums on that Poverty Case machine, but he got it to go down the track better than last time. Eric Hinkle's Poverty Case. $171.10 for Eric Hinkle's Poverty Case. 171.10. Let's give a round of applause, folks. His helmet's off. Eric Hinkle. Back in the sled right now, Jim Swan.
Just get all the cows out here now to pull it.
John Deere 4430. He calls this one Buck Up.
Yeah, I've never been to one of the derbies like that, but maybe I'll come by tomorrow and check it out. Yo, what's up, Saramando? Thanks for sponsoring. Appreciate that.
Jim Swantek in the buck up goes 270.87, 270.87. Italian International coming to the line right now. Scott Sander, the Red Stallion.
Here we go. Wait, they tapped
291.10
you on that?
the Red Stallion. Nate Aggregator on the line right now from Melbourne, Ohio, an international. We haven't seen this tractor at all this season, but used to be a quick to regular. Glad to see him on the track again. Hard to handle.
Lit Mario Kart? That's tomorrow. Tomorrow they're gonna have the derby. I'll come by for that. It sounds pretty cool. Shit, that one blew.
Oh, unfortunate end of his run right there. Something definitely let go. So we'll check out the motor, make sure we got no fire on there, but definitely looks like something let go in the motor area. Not the run he's looking for tonight, I'm sure. Hard to handle. We'll need a toe-off tractor, please. We'll need a toe-off tractor. Nate Aggregator goes 223.61, 223.61. And looks like we got 2 left to go in the class. So the word from the track side is we see the guys down there taking a look and kicking the stall on the track. We unfortunately had a block issue there, and the pieces of the block came apart as well as drive of the pistons and rods, so they're picking all the little metal pieces off the track we can find, so it doesn't impact these other guys' pulls the rest of the evening. So an unfortunate run for the hard-to-handle machine. Ralph's driving tonight. Now Ralph is a pretty steady hand guy. His normal 9-to-5 job is a golf pro.
There's one of them over there, if you can see it.
Is a little different than his regular job. Out here with an unforgiven John Deere machine. Ralph under control. Had a little clutch issue with it. Still trying to get it going. So this is a big test to see if you have the clutch adjusted correctly or not for the unforgiven John Deere.
Is that one named after the Metallica song? Is that what he just said? Oh. That does not look good.
And still look like a little clutch issue down there. We'll see what goes on down there, but still does not look like what's come off the line right. Very difficult these clutches adjusted the first couple of times. These are multiple clutch systems in these tractors. Sliver clutches in them, so the RPM's up to a certain range and the clutch will kind of do its thing. So we'll find out exactly what happened down there, but it does not look like he's able to come back. So we'll need a tow tractor, I do believe. We need a tow tractor, Mr. Bell. So we'll need a tow tractor, please. We'll need a tow tractor, please. Well, it's not a John Deere tow tractor, but an Oliver will do because they're both green. Bender's bringing a red one out there, I do believe. So unforgiven. Ralph Hamilton, let's give a big round of applause, folks. Not the run he wanted here tonight. So our last competitor in this class, our leader still out there, Larry Farringer at 307, Grace Farringer 303, Shane McFarland at 300, and Scott Sander at 291, the Red Stallion. Michael Lozier coming up right now, Indian Outlaw. And something to let go there, the Indian Outlaw near the end of his run. Tow tractor, please stand by. And tow tractor is requested now. 277.99 for Michael Lozier's Indian Outlaw. Well, that would complete the fourth class out of 5 here tonight. Not quite 9 o'clock. We're shooting for a 10 p.m. ending time here tonight. With one class left to go, the Open 2.5 diesel 4x4 trucks are coming up next.
Yes, Armando, it was
I do believe we have about 15 or 16 entered in that class. We'll get the official complete rundown for you folks in just a moment here. So our winner is going to be Larry Farringer, still smoking. Number 2 is Drake Farringer, smoking John. Number 3, Shane McFarland, the Rotten Buck. Number 4, Scott Sander, the Red Stallion. Lady number 5th is Ross Martin, the Running Red Warrior. Number 6, Jeff Selly driving the Saturday Night Hooker. Number 7, Ted Giovanelli in Shazam. Number 8, Mike Lozier, the Indian Outlaw. Number 9, Aaron Bradish, twice recycled. And rounding out the top 10 is Buck Up and Jim Swantack. And don't forget, folks, all the complete official results will be found. Open 2.6 diesel trucks coming at you right now. Now, the rules of this class are, they are a street licensed truck still. If it has a dually vented run duals, if it is single vent, they must run single tires. They can have a weight bar in the front. They have to be restricted to a 2.5 inducer size in the turbo, a .150 map through, that's MWE. The turbos are teched multiple times, as well as being sealed. If it's a GMC, it's got a GMC motor on it, which will be a Duramax, a power stroke, it's got to be in a Ford, and the Cummins has to be in a Dodge. No engine swaps allowed. Running single turbo, diesel fuel only.
Look at that blue one in the background.
So let's see what goes on here. The first one up is Dale Bennett. the Social Security name truck. Dale Bennett's also one of the big sponsors here as well. Bennett Trailer Sales out here doing his fun pastime. Social Security, the name of the truck. That's what funds this truck too, I do believe. So here we go. So, Joe out there running this class at this finish line and decided his sled's a little too late for the boys. So Dale Bennett will drop to the bottom of the class. He will drop to the bottom of the class, and we're going to heavy the track boss number 4 up a little bit right now. Guiding the sled right now, Jeremy Davis on the controls, straight off the farms the name of 2006 Dodge. Okay, let's get this out of the way right now. If you're a Dodge fan, let's hear it for Dodge. How about if you're a GMC Chevrolet fan? How about if you're part of the Blue Over Brigade, the Ford fan? All right, keep in mind what your neighbor rooted for. Make sure you don't switch allegiance because their brand loses tonight. So let's see what goes on here right now. The first of the motor cars, 2006 Dodge, straight off the farm. So the early class leader is going to be at 319.76 for straight off the farm. Brian Miller from Canis, Ohio, 2002 GMC with the Duramax on board. Brian Miller's Duramax goes 297.90, 297.90. On the line right now, this is Bill Dolphin from Elwood City, Pennsylvania, a 2003 Chevrolet he calls the Punisher. One of the top runners on the USA circuit, currently in the top 3 with points for 2018, the Punisher. Bill Dolphin, 311.72, 311.72 for the Punisher.
Oh, there's that one I took video of the other day.
Another one of the top runners for USA East is Brandon DeFrank. Another one of the top 3 in the points race for 2018. And another good run put down by the GMC of up there. Get close to the leader mark. Good enough for number 3 in the class. Brennan DeFrank moves to number 3 at 307.29. 307.29. But that's contestant up is Lauren Miller from Guys Mills, Pennsylvania. The Warner Diesel sponsor machine here. The Rowdy Rams the name. Oh man, is he knocking on the leader's door there? The Rowdy Rams. The Rowdy Rams good enough to move to number 2 in the class. 317.71 for Lauren Miller and the Rowdy Rams. Doug Ribble, the hooker on a budget Ford machine. And I do believe he lost the boot or the turbo there. But the Ford came to a quick stop here. Doug Rubel, hooker on a budget. He might have wrote the budget tonight.
I think since they're gonna close at 10, I believe, or this ends at 10.
So
I'm gonna go walk in a little bit
from Piedmont, Ohio.
We'll go check out some stuff before I have to leave. So I don't know if they're gonna let me walk around after. Like once they finish this, they might start kicking everyone out. Someone on stage performing now. Sound like ass. No, it's not. It's not Elvis. Alright, here we go.
Great finish distance is at 272.33. 272.33.
Alright, I'm gonna go down there now. I'm gonna go check out the pocket pets again. Chinchilla's up. Just eating. And that one's sleeping. Some guinea pigs too. Hi, buddy. He wants to say hi to the camera. He's not shy at all. They're probably getting used to like all these people coming up and checking them out all day. That one's up. He's cute. These are for like junior fair and like exhibits and a couple other categories, but they show their small pets off, so that's why they have these all here. Like everybody's just kind of showing theirs. The all white one. Here's a Pac-Man frog. Here's a box turtle. Here's a little snapper. I miss my snapping turtle. The one I had was so cool. This one made a big mess. That's the only thing I don't miss about having turtles, that they make such a big mess. Oh, here, I don't know if Courtney's still here, but they have the betta fish too. There's one of them. And the glowfish too. And there's the tetras.
Look at this big one.
Yeah.
Oh, here's a salamander. The tiger. Gecko, and I think these are leopard geckos, and in the rest of these, yeah, you can see them hiding out in there. And the veiled chameleon. Okay, that was it for in there. It's gonna go down to where they have all the trucks and RVs and stuff back there, but if I do that, I might get locked in there and have to go all the way around to get back home. So I'm gonna go see if they still have that really big tractor I said I was gonna show earlier. I think it's like right up the street. That's funny, they blocked it off. They probably had a bunch of kids climbing it and stuff. Yeah, this is the biggest one I've seen here. I think those are like, they had some like that were pulling earlier that were like super loud. I just want to see all the dizzy people coming out of the UFO, but I guess that's going to take a little while.
Hey, are you Florida?
I went on one of those things the other day, but it was on the Funhouse thing, but it's over. It's so funny trying to see everybody like ducking down, trying not to get in front of the camera, but they're gonna get in it anyway. Those little kids look like they're gonna fly out. Boots, I'll go on there with you. Hey. I don't know if I can get over there going this way, but if I can't, I'll walk back around to see if I can get over to where all the other animals are. See, it's not Elvis. I don't dig chick singers and I don't dig country music, so it doesn't work for me. Alright, I'm gonna try to walk over there to the other side, as long as nobody stops me from going there. There's all the motorcycles. They got some of them on tow trucks. The one's probably that blew up earlier. Everyone here has a truck. I enjoyed having the SUV to be able to like tow shit around if I needed to before, but fucking, I don't know, it's really difficult because I can't really take the RV to do that. The RV could pull some things, but it doesn't have like a proper door to fit stuff in. So I couldn't go get like a bunch of stuff at Home Depot to bring it back home. Oh yeah, it does. It just smells like exhaust and burnt oil. With all the goats and stuff down there. I'll go down there and go check them out. The cows are totally turning down for what? Oh shit, what's going on here? Are they dancing? I think there's a DJ and they're dancing. It is. And before copyright strike. Oh look, here's one of the cows. Looks like a big pit bull. So there are ones here too. Like, no, it's mine. This one looks like a puppy dog, too. Oh, excuse me.
Don't touch him.
Yeah, I saw that one was being really sweet with the little kids, like coming up to them so they can pet them. Bah. You're the one that was yelling at Luna. Hi, buddy. I think he's waiting for me to pet him, but I'm not going to pet him. The smaller ones on this side. Here's one of them. Hi, buddy. They're all tired from being up all day. He's like, what are you doing? What is that thing in your hand?
Oh, they're trying to get out.
Oh, now you won't walk. Now you when we are leaving.
Want to walk?
Yeah. And now
Hannah, ask her. I think that's a normal thing for goats.
they are
Oh, Riley. Riley, we're allowed to do it.
You're ready. Tell me when you're ready. Tell me when you're done with the book too, so then you can tell me all about your day and your knowledge. Don't tell me about your knowledge. Hey.
Mom.
Have they ever been burned off? I don't know if they were burned, but I know they came off with the one thing now.
Yeah, it's gonna be like Goat Simulator all over again. I love the patterns on these guys. Buddy? You want to smell the camera? You're so interested in it.
fingers. Show them on my face. Ouch! I'm gonna hit your butt. Oh, I got your butt.
What are you doing? You can't be up there. You smelling it?
You're crazy, Ebony. You're crazy. Oh my gosh, Ebony.
He's eating the string.
Ebony. Ebony. Oh my gosh.
What are you doing?
Ebony. I'm literally holding you up. Have you seen Ruby? Have you seen Ruby?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know enough about like what they do with these guys. So I don't know if they're like clipped or if that one was just like that. Hi. Yeah, see like this one too. They have the same thing. What's up, little guy? Hi. You can't bite my fingers. He wants my cable. You can smell it, but you can't take it. These guys are all coming over now too. These guys have a treat.
Excuse me.
Hi.
That's Whiskey Girl.
What's his name?
Whiskey Girl.
Oh, Whiskey Girl.
Yeah, they're all girls.
Oh, okay. Do they not grow horns when they're girls? Or do they get clipped?
Every single one grows horns. You have to get them burned.
Oh, they take them off?
Yeah, like whenever they're little, you have to burn them. You take them to someone and they burn them.
What's that?
That makes their tongue dry so they drink more water.
It's salt?
Yeah, so.
I'm sorry. Yeah, they said they remove it when they're younger. I don't know what the purpose is. It's the horses. Oh, look at the little one. I mean, they're all little, but that one's really little. I don't know if there's llamas or alpacas. I saw a sign for a company that deals with alpacas, but I went into their booth and there was none there, so I don't know. But I'll look. If I see any, I'll show you guys. Just looking at me like, what are you doing? Don't come near me, I'll kick you in the face. There's minier ones on the other side. I'll go over there. Uh-oh. Leaky water. I guess it doesn't turn off. It's a donkey. He's a tired donkey. Look at this white one.
I'm gonna get a whole group of friends.
Yeah, I think they're over here more. Yeah, here's one of them. Look at that sweet hair. Excuse me. Here's the other small little one. Just trying to hide out. I think there was one more. Yeah, there's more sides over there I didn't go to yet. Is it okay if I watch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put your hand over here. Then you want your hand back here or here. Here, I would prefer right now because okay? And you're just gonna make him walk. Okay? And if you get good, come on.
He's being a butthead, he doesn't want to go. He's just showing him how to get him to walk along, like to train him and stuff. Do you guys remember when I was at the other fair, I recorded a video. The alpaca was like running crazy with that little girl. Like he didn't want to be a part of the competition. That shit was pretty funny. Oh, these are pretty. Can't really see them though because their faces are in the food. They just eat non-stop, huh? This is the one yelling. What are you yelling about? He's like, wait, now I'm being watched. I can't yell. Oh, the pink sheet thing? That's to keep, I think to keep it warm, like at night when it gets cold. Look at the pattern on that one too. That one's also pretty cool. It's like polka dotted. What? Hi. Are you guys gonna come at my camera too? Hi. He's like, yeah, pet behind my ear. I don't think there are any peacocks. I haven't seen any around here. I remember where I lived in Florida, like right up the street, there was a whole ton of them. They all used to hang out on the like roofs of the apartment buildings by my house. Yeah, that little one had one horn. These guys have theirs too. Just using it to scratch himself. Hi. They don't like it up by their face. Just trying to see if there's anything else back here that I haven't seen yet. But I don't think there's any llamas or alpacas here. I haven't seen any of the stables for them, which are usually like a lot bigger. Uh-oh, one of them escaped. Why are you yelling? It's okay. It's okay. It's so loud. Where are they at? Show me the goats.
They're louder. Guarantee it.
Are they? Are they the big goats or the little mini ones?
They're bigger. And they have the biggest ears.
Or are they the big floppy eared ones at the end?
Yes.
Those are cute. Are they specially bred to have like the ears like that, or
That's just
is that just? Oh, okay. Hey, you might want to walk around that.
Are you really gonna be quiet right now?
Yeah, they were quiet when I came by here before.
They've had a long day.
Yeah, I'm sure.
But yeah, we breed them specifically for the show. This little girl right here, she got grand champion of all the younger ones.
So you breed them and then you select them for showing stuff, just for.
Yeah, we keep the does and we select the bucks that we're going to breed them with to get a better line, so that they have the features that we want them to.
I love the patterns on those.
Yeah, that's actually accidental. We bred a black one and a brown one together one year, and now every year we've gotten at least one spotted one.
That's cool. Why do they clip their ears, or why are the ones over there like don't have ears?
They're actually not clipped. It's a different breed. It's called La Manchas.
Oh, that's just how they are?
Yeah.
But with the horns they do, right? Because the kid over there was saying they take the horns out when they're babies, or they burn it or something.
Yeah, they don't clip them. They burn them.
What is that for? Just so they're not assholes and like messing everything up?
Well, with an Angora goat, you let them have the horns, or a Boer goat, because it's their cooling and heating system. There's blood flowing.
Oh, okay.
With a dairy goat, because of the kind of pens that we keep them in, and because we keep them together, they can actually hurt themselves or others.
Oh,
if they
all
have
right.
the horns.
So it's more of a safety thing too?
Yeah. But sometimes you do end up with... I saw some over here that had thorns.
Oh yeah, I saw them.
Yeah.
I don't know where they were, but...
Like, you can tell it was definitely an accidental...
Oh, these, like this little one?
No.
Or you're saying the bigger ones?
There were... I can't remember where they were. Sometimes you get what's called skurs, so you burn them and you don't get it good enough, and then they do grow. But yeah, that's the reason. It's kind of like docking a tail on a sheep so that they don't get infections with flies.
Yeah, I don't know anything about these. I always worked with like reptiles, amphibians, and big dogs. Like I have a wolf dog, and I've worked with some exotic cats, like the bigger ones, but I've never dealt with any like farm animals or anything, so I don't know anything about them.
They make a lot of noise and take up all of your time.
Yeah, I see that. I have a friend out here who showed me she's got a couple goats and stuff that like run around on her property, and they're mad cool. They're the smaller ones like these.
I don't know if I'd ever be brave enough to have a reptile. Snakes are pretty scary.
Yeah, I don't like snakes because I think they're kind of boring. They don't really do much. They just kind of like sit around in the tank. And
So what kind of reptiles did you have?
I like the bigger lizards, like all the big monitor lizards
Like the
and
Komodo dragon.
stuff like that get that size. Yeah, almost lost my finger to a few, but they're cool though. They're
What do they eat?
big rats, mice, bunnies. Depends on the size.
People, if they had the chance.
Yeah, so I guess they'll just breed the mice and we go to like a pet shop to pick them up and stuff, but I started breeding a bunch of my own food too. I worked with foxes for many years too. I've had, that's actually, my channel on YouTube actually did really well from the fox that I previously had, Scout. He was a little fennec fox. So like a lot of people ended up coming to the channel to come check him out and stuff, which was kind of cool. So now I'm just going around and showing all the animals here at the fair and stuff. I go out of town and I'm going to try and go to a couple zoos and stuff too and do other videos with that.
Did you go up to the draft horse barn?
What's that? Is that?
Huge horses.
Oh no, I only saw the little ones. Where is that at?
I think it's not this corner, it's the next one.
On the other side of the
Yeah.
big stairs over there?
Yeah.
All right, I'll go check them out before they kick us all out of here.
They're huge.
Okay, I'm going to go look at those now. I think I know exactly what you're talking about. It's like the one barn place I didn't go to yet. All right, it was nice talking to you.
too.
My name's Dro. If you ever want to see the videos or anything, just go to YouTube and type in The Dro. And you'll find me. All right, let's go around there before they kick us out. I want to see where those big-ass horses are. And here's one of them. Can't even see this whole one because he's up too close. I wonder if they had more and they moved them or not. All right, here, hang on. I'll take a picture. It's video.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just getting video for the fair.
I just like it when people are like still for a photo and it never gets taken. Yeah, just doing videos up there, showing people some cool stuff.
What, are you in like photography or something?
Yeah, I do photography and videos and a bunch of other stuff too. Don't worry, I won't rape you, I promise.
I appreciate it.
But if I did, I would videotape it, so then I'd get in trouble anyway, right?
You gotta make it fun somehow.
What'd you do to your arm?
Wrecked.
You wrecked?
Yeah, I wrecked my truck.
Oh, that sucks. Did you watch all the trucks here today?
No, I didn't.
No. I heard it from really far away, so I was like, I'm gonna come check it out, see what's going on. A bunch of trucks blew up.
Yesterday,
oh yeah?
there was a Ford that blew its drive shaft.
Oh really? Did it catch on fire?
Yeah, he almost had a full pull, and right by the full pull, all you saw was boom! The drive shaft just...
Tomorrow they're doing a derby, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna come check that out. Are you guys gonna be here for that?
My
boyfriend's doing the derby.
Oh, is he? Are you scared he's gonna get hurt?
No, he's been in it before.
Oh.
Person's in it?
I don't know.
All right, that's my cue to leave. Bye. I'll see you guys. Have a good night. All right, guys. I think that's it for now. I'm gonna go home and make sure Luna didn't destroy everything because I've been gone all day. And I guess I'll see you guys later. If you like the video, hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe and all that other BS if you're not already. I saw some new people join in today, so what's up? And thanks for hanging out. I don't know. I don't think there's anything else going on. I still got work to finish up and stuff, so I figured I'd come out here and take a break for a few hours to show you guys this because I heard it was so loud, so I was like, I gotta come see it. So tomorrow I'm just gonna set my alarm for earlier in the morning, and I'll get up and get ready and everything, and then I'll come over here so I can check out this awesome derby. I just want to watch a bunch of cars destroyed, you know? Yeah, it's too dark to really see much of anything right now anyway, so I'm just gonna go. But have a good night, man. I'll see you guys later. And I got so many videos because I've been live streaming like almost every day, and I've been making them private so I can take out all the boring stuff. But I don't know, eventually I'll get to editing all of it. All right, man. Have a good night. I'll see you guys later. Bye.